Terrance and my mom. Hey guys, today we're going to do a slime video. It's going to be Terrance versus Raziah. So my mom will be helping him.
Yeah, I got to help him because he's only 3. So let's get on to the video and let's see who can make a better slime. Alright?
Okay.
Come on.
Let's get on to the video.
Hey, and dabbing out here. Yep, here you go.
Whoever is the winner gets to make another slime. Woo!
Alright.
I poured a lot.
So we put the white glue in.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little activator, little all detergent. You wanna pour this in, Tan?
Yeah, I do too. I poured a lot. I'm gonna pour a little bit more slime.
Good job, Tan. Pass this to Sissy. Here you go.
That's just a little bit messy. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Yeah, stir that right up, Tan. Keep stirring. No, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, we need a little bit more glue. Alright, keep stirring. Keep stirring. Yeah. Alright, let mommy stir it a little up.
And purple.
You want to put some colors in? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Hold on 1 second. Let me get this nice and thick. Let's get some shaving cream so we can make it fluffy.
I'm not ready yet.
Don't put too much.
After this.
Ooh. How is this? Oh, you want to spray this, Tim? Hold on. Let's spray this first. Here.
Right,
the
guys.
top.
So we're
Yeah,
gonna
press it
stir
right here.
this.
Wait.
So guys, watch.
Turn it this
Nice
way.
and
Ready? Squeeze. Yeah. Keep squeezing. Oh yeah. That's that shaving cream. Yeah. That's that shaving cream. Yeah. That's that shaving cream.
That's that shaving cream.
That is disgusting, Tana. Shaving cream. That's not food.
He thought that was
Don't eat that, Tanny. Holy crap. Wipe your tongue
This
off.
kid is crazy. He thought it was
Spit it out,
whipped
spit
cream.
Holy crap. That
Look
tastes
at this,
nasty?
guys.
Yeah, bruh. What happened? Hold on. I gotta get him a juice. Oh my god.
Guys, this boy is crazy.
Woo, guys. He just ate the shaving cream. I think he thought it was whipped cream, and I know it tastes nasty. Drink some. Holy crap.
Wait, let me shake.
Alright, guys. Back to the video. We're going to stir this up some more. Just going to keep stirring it up until it gets real clumpy. Look at that. You see that? Hold on.
Gotta stir this up, guys. Mom, I need a little bit more activator.
So we only made slime a few times, so hopefully this comes out okay.
Mom, can I use some more activator?
Yeah, I don't know if that's what you need. I don't know what makes it clump together good. I'm still not seeing. Oh, okay. He done put blue. He's blue happy. Now he's stirring it up. Let's show the camera how it look in that blue. That blue's getting stirred up. Go ahead, Bo.
They're literally ahead of me. I'm just trying to take my time to make perfect.
It's alright. I'm trying to get mine clumped together. I still can't believe this boy just put that shaving cream in his mouth. Bro started tripping. Bro started tripping.
Yeah, this is coming. That's enough, Raziah. It's coming together. Look at that, Tin. Look at that slime. Look, you got a nice blue slime.
No, now this one.
You want green?
No, green is gonna mess it up.
Just one little drop. Then we got this nice blue.
I'm gonna do red, guys.
One little bit. Okay, that's good. I said that's good. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So I'm about to pour this in. Put one drop.
Oh yeah, this is a mess.
Okay.
We got a mess here
So
already.
let's stir this.
Keep
Mom, look at it.
Show the camera if you could show. Just a little tippage.
I'll show you at the end. Mom, it's turning. Well, it's turning pink. That's why I wanted to do red.
Keep stirring. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Real good. Whip it, real good. Hey, dab on it. Hey. Let me see you dab, Tin. Woo! Yeah! He dabbing on that slime.
Yeah.
Let's see. You want more? That's not whipped cream, Terrance.
Mom, that looks like
It's shaving cream.
that kind of looks like the greenish bluish. Like
I'm
aqua.
not seeing my
That looks
slime
like
coming
aqua.
together. What's going on here? What do we do to get it to be
I'm gonna add
more?
a
Let's
little
see.
bit of one drip.
Stir it up. Stir it. Keep stirring, stirring. Stir it, stir it, stir it. 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 Hey, stir it, stir it, stir it. Oh. It went out the pot. It
Look
went
at
out
this
the
guy.
pot, but this is a nice color.
My color.
I like that. Ooh, look what Tan made. I just don't get why it's not getting more glue, I think. Yeah. Let's see.
We'll add a little bit more.
Let's see. I'm gonna try on that oil.
Let's do some glue.
Okay. Keep stirring, stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring, stirring, stirring.
Mom, look at this.
I don't know, guys. If you guys know a secret, comment down below because I'm not seeing where it's at.
Who do you think looks the best? Terrance is kind of like aqua color or like pink?
I see. Oh, we made a mess. It's alright.
That's okay, Tan. We'll clean it up.
I think you just have to keep stirring it.
Let me see it.
You gonna keep stirring it?
Yeah.
Ooh,
I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. See if that works.
I think that's what makes it watery. I'm not sure.
Making it blue, blue. Yay, so blue.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to see if that works.
Hold on. Let's see. All right, just keep stirring. That's enough. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring. Don't make a mess. Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Just had to get some contact solution.
Here, let me scoop it.
Thank you.
Look at that. Whoa.
I put a lot of glue so I can have a lot of slime. It's full. Oh, guys, look at this. I gotta mix it more.
That's all you gotta do. Keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Forget the swimming. Keep mixing.
I'm gonna dive in.
You like that, Tan?
Ooh. I gotta mix this. I'm
I
gonna
got pink
see
slime here.
Alright, this one out.
You like that, Tan? Show the
camera. Can you pick it up?
I'm gonna try to make a bubble with this.
It's wobbling everywhere. Can you shake it in the air? Pick it up. Like this. You gotta pick it
Pick
up
it
and
up.
shake it. Whoa!
Yeah. Guys, I'm just gonna add a little
Heavy.
bit more red. That was good.
Look at our hands. We're all messy.
Look at this. Look at my hand. It looks like a lot bigger.
Your sissies. Look at this. Look.
Come on, Tanny. You wanna wash your hands, Tan?
There's really no point to wash your hands. Just keep going.
Tan, take it off your shirt.
Oh boy, no. Oh my god, it's on his shoulder.
Oh, barely.
I can't, Terrance. You are something else. So guys, I think the video actually came out pretty good. The slime is nice.
Comment down below what did you want? I get to make another slime.
I don't know. I need him to come back over here, Tan. Come on, your hands are messy. Sit back down.
Ew, guys. Mom,
So
put
let's
your
see.
hand inside of this.
Look at that.
Put your hand inside of this, Mom. I got to mix it. Here, put your hand inside of that. Oh. In here. Right here? Oh, ew. It's like Dora's. I'm just going to put red. Let me see my slime. Red all over. No, let me see my slime.
How do you do the bubble?
You have to put a piece, some of it stuck to the table, then you have to pull it
You want your
in.
slime?
Ah,
Look at that. Look at that. Put that back in there with that dye on it.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Hey, watch your mouth. This is no shit. Alright. Guys, look at this. My son was swallowed again.
The slime was falling on the chair.
I'm gonna see if this will mix. Did this stick into my wrist? It's mixed or something. You hold it.
All right. Careful.
Let's get this over here. Do this.
All right. Let's see if she could do a bubble with hers.
Okay.
Mine is a little too thick.
Mine's
I can't do it right here.
Alright, let's see if I can do it.
Cool. You guys are like super thick.
I can't do it.
Oh, it's super thick.
I'll try to do it with my other slime, since it's not that much.
Holy jeez.
Where's my bowl?
These things are crazy.
I'm gonna see if I can make another one. This is mine. I'm gonna try my other one.
Alright guys, so comment down below who you think made a better slime. I think they both came out the same. As thick as can be.
Let me see.
What's your name?
Terrance.
Little Terrance.
And little Raziah. Big Raziah.
I'm Mommy. You know who I am.
Go, Tim, leave it.
So make sure you
Can I do this one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this one, guys.
She's gonna make another video. Another slime, shall I say. But right now we're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. And we'll see you guys next time. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.